everybody, it's SuperGirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we are making a fall door wreath. So I started out by adding in a circle and making it 11.5 by 11.5. I then went in and added a 10 by 10 circle on the inside, and what I did was slice it so that it removed the area inside the circle, so all that you are left with is the perimeter. I then went ahead and looked for a leaf, and when I found one I liked, I went ahead and adjusted it to the size that I liked, and I wanted to go with fall colors, so you know, your oranges, your reds, your yellows, your greens, your browns. So I went ahead and figured out the best orientation for all of those. And after assembling everything, I thought it needed a little extra touch. So I went ahead and mirrored everything and made them smaller just to kind of fill in the space so it didn't look so repetitive. Now you'll see I went ahead and mirrored it because I wanted to switch it around. And once I liked everything, I went ahead and clicked make it, got all my papers ready, and went ahead and let the Cricut cut everything out. Once everything was all cut out, I went ahead and separated everything by size and color, and I went ahead and started gluing. Pro tip, I would lay out everything first before gluing down. It cuts out the need to rearrange some of the leaves later on that have already started drying. So if there was one thing I would fix, I would have done a better job of planning ahead on this, but in the end it still turned out really well. Then once all of that was put down, the bigger leaves, I went ahead and went in with the smaller leaves. Now I didn't necessarily lay down the smaller leaves how I had put them in the Cricut design space. However, I think it actually worked out better in the end because what I did was I took the extra leaves and then I put them over where colors duplicated between the larger leaves and the smaller leaves. Once that was all done, I went ahead and took my signature gold ribbon and tied it around the top. And it turned out pretty cute. Now if you haven't already, please go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and comment below what you would like me to make next. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that now. As always, it has been a pleasure, and don't forget to have a super day.